You know, if this shoe had an orange air bubble and some hash marks, it is sold out. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we have up for review is the Air Force 270 Medium Olive. Now, the Air Force 270 is a brand new silhouette. It's accompanied by the Air Max 270. That's kind of like the lower cut runner base silhouette. This is the more lifestyle silhouette. And what's notable about it is the 270 air bubble is the largest air bubble ever on an Air Max shoe. This is going to be kind of like the Air Max that's going to be pushed super hard this year. This shoe in the Air Max 270, kind of how the Air Vapor Max did last year. Let's take a look at the box. The box is a standard Nike sportswear box, the red box, and the color code of the shoe is medium olive and black. There's also challenge red on the shoe as well. Let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a medium olive upper with medium olive overlays on the lateral and medial, as well as this giant overlay right here by the heel. The upper is suede, and this is some pretty nice suede. It's not amazing, it's not world beater suede, but it's suede that changes color, which is what you want with your suede. Taking a look at the tongue, you have the black tongue with the black pull tab and a challenge red Nike swoosh on the tongue as well. The insole is black with a challenge red Nike Air logo. You've also got this midfoot strap that comes apart just like that. It's a pull and it's the two sides, and it has the challenge red accent as well. Going towards the heel, you've got this giant oversized overlay. It's kind of like exaggerated, protrudes out of the shoe, and it's got a black Nike swoosh on it as well. On the heel, you've got a black and challenge red heel counter with a black back tab. That is Air Force 270 going down the heel tab. Moving towards the medial, you have the same giant overlay as the lateral does with the black Nike swoosh. And then you have the other half of this midfoot strap. The midsole is a white midsole, and it has little overlays right here with the giant challenge red Air Max bubble, and this thing is huge. This is one of those shoes where Nike is just gonna stuff as much Air Max into it just because they can. And it's gonna be kind of like how the Command Force and the Air Pressure and the real high tops that David Robinson wore in the 90s had just max air with the pump just because they wanted to make it the softest shoe. Like, I figured Nike would have been past that, but it's an all-around comfortable shoe. It does make for a comfortable shoe, I will say that. And the shoe sits on a white outsole, and you can see the challenge red Air Max bubble extends to the outsole as well. Overall, I'm a fan of the shoe. I like the Air Max 270 a little bit more than the Air Force 270, but this colorway is a solid colorway. And basically, the shoe is currently available, but if it had orange instead of challenge red, which would have made it an undefeated colorway, it would have basically sold out, because this is a solid, clean colorway. And if you aren't pressed to pick it up now, you can probably wait a couple of months, let it go down to $120-$100, and just scoop it up right then and there. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Nike Air Force 270 medium olive is now available for a retail price of $160. Alright everyone, this has been another Soul Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Check out soulpost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Soul Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.